Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy Josh. Welcome back to a new video where today I'm going to be talking about how much YouTubers make. I'm going to be breaking down what CPM is, what RPM is, and just everything you need to know. Whether you yourself want to be a YouTuber or a YouTuber, or if you just watch YouTubers. But before we get into the video, be sure to drop a like. This helps me out so much. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop into today's video. So yeah, the topic of YouTube money, CPM, RPM, revenue, it's a very hot topic. And it always has been, ever since the uprise of YouTubers and people getting rich off of the internet. You see people like PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, and you just think, oh my god, they must just make millions. They must be billionaires, you know? They must have so much. And in most cases, that is true for them bigger YouTubers. But in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a better idea and give you guys some information that's going to help you determine how much certain YouTubers make and the type of content to stick to make more money. So yeah guys, hopping onto my computer, as you can see, I've got videos analytics loaded up here. This was actually a collaboration with YouTuber Jack Sucks a Life, hence why I did quite well. But as you can see, 43k views, this earned me £35 altogether, right? But let me just change it to USD because all my videos are in USD and I'm marketing to a US audience, so this is going to make it a lot easier. So there you go, $45, right? So to put that into perspective, that is a very close amount, yeah? In most cases, it's either just under, bang on, or just above. So if I go to revenue here, as you can see, I've got my RPM and playback-based CPM. So CPM being cost per mile, what this essentially is how much your video or channel is making per 1,000 views. So as you can see, I'm selected on a video here. So obviously this is an average, it's just a mean that's worked out over time, which is obviously continuously being worked out every day. So as you can see, we've got maybe $17 that day of a CPM. To a lot of you guys, you might not have even heard of that before. $17 for 1,000 views, that's insane, right? Look at this, $39 one day. And let me tell you guys right now, I've had CPMs that are a hell of a lot higher than this. Like, trust me when I say that some of my videos have got some of the highest CPMs on the whole of YouTube. So if this video gets 100 likes, then I'm going to break down a few of my video CPMs, RPMs, and a bit of my revenue. But if we hover over RPM, what this is how much you actually get after YouTube's cut per 1,000 views. So say if I got 1,000 views in the first day, the CPM for the first day was $2.85. The video overall would make $2.85. YouTube will get 180 of that cut, and I would get 105. So RPM's only a newer thing that's on YouTube. But as you can see, it's a great indicator of how much you make because it's literally bang on. And I don't know why this wasn't implemented a bit earlier. But yeah, the point in this video isn't to show you guys how much I've made. The point is to show you guys how much you can make and how much YouTubers are making. So if I just close this here, as you can see, it's all there. Now, I've backed up all of these estimates with over 10 videos for each niche. And I can tell you guys, from a YouTuber's perspective, this is absolutely bang on. There's no right answer to how much do you make per 1,000 views. Yes, we've got indicators and stuff like this, but overall, it all just comes down to the revenue in the end. Like, you get different CPMs and RPMs every single day, but the most realistic indicator is literally just how much you make. So we're just going to start off at the bottom here, explain each one, and just work our way up. So as you can see here at the bottom, these two are the same. So we've got beauty and parenting, both $1 CPMs. Now, yes, this naturally does look quite low, but this is actually a very common CPM. Up until my recent switch of content on YouTube, some days I would be earning CPMs like 30 pence, and that is outrageous considering the amount of work I put into my videos. And yeah, if you guys don't know, to be monetized on YouTube, to make money through YouTube, you need over 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and over 1,000 subscribers. Once you surpass these requirements and get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you should expect a CPM of between $1 and $3. This is literally just the most common CPM, and this is what most people are going to be getting paid. If we move up here, we've got vlogs and music. These each have a CPM of $2. Reason being, these are just the most popular types of videos on YouTube. The reason the revenue is so low for this common content is purely just because the sheer amount of people doing it. But as you can see, next, hopping up a bit, we've got $3.20, and that is the niche of self-improvement. This can also link into like reviews of products, so you've got to consider the fact that each of these niches do have a lot of off branches where they can kind of fit into the niches, and you'll find that some of the higher paying ones, a lot of regular YouTubers try to incorporate some of these ideas into the videos. So yeah, self-improvement, it's quite a popular topic, but as I say, it's not the most popular topic. YouTube isn't a platform known for its self-improvement advice. If you want something, it's probably there, but definitely not the most popular option, and thus the revenue is still fairly low. Moving up, as you can see, we've got photography and video. The CPM here is $4.43, which is quite bizarre as it does go against some of the factors that we've mentioned previously. Main one being photography and video is actually very popular. So you're probably thinking, how do people get so much money then? I don't understand it. Now, once again, this will sometimes tie in with maybe social media tips, making money online, you know, how to make money through photography. My new camera, it links in with tech, so it's all about just trying to connect these loops without going onto multiple niches, so YouTube knows where to promote you. If you've got a channel with tons of different niches, the YouTube algorithm can struggle to promote your video as it doesn't know what audience to promote it to. And yeah, obviously there are a lot of advertisers for photography and video. Next guys, as you can see, we've got fitness and health. Now obviously this is quite a popular topic on all social medias, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, even before social media. This has always just been a topic of human importance, and it always will just be fairly high up. So as you can see, we've got $4.72. That is definitely a decent CPM. I'd be more than happy to earn this every day. Moving up here, we've got tech. As you can see, we've got a $6.32 CPM. This is pretty self-explanatory. self-explanatory. It's quite a large topic, however there are a lot of advertisers. It literally just goes without saying, it doesn't need an explanation. There is so much going out every single day, there are so many advertisers, and there is just a lot of opportunity. So if you can get into the YouTube Partner Program, this is definitely a good little earner. Moving up here, as you can see, we've got cooking with a $7.20 CPM. Now this is obviously moving up to the $10 mark, and obviously this is quite high. Same reason as the last one, cooking is just a popular niche, and once again, there are a lot of advertisers. And you gotta think, this can go as minimal as like people just promoting the restaurants, people promoting recipes, people promoting their own cooking videos. Like anyone can make a YouTube ad, so you've got to put that into perspective. How many normal people have made ads? So yeah, next, as previously mentioned, we've got social media tips. Now a lot of people do this, so this can go as far as just how to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube, how to post better photos on Instagram. This obviously just goes without saying, and it's got a CPM of $8.35, which is just ridiculous. Once again, not as high as it gets, but this is a very, very high CPM. Next, we've got finance. Now this has a mean average CPM of $12.61. That is a very, very, very high CPM, and once again, this category fits in with a lot of the other things. Finance is obviously a very good niche. These ads are big companies, and they're going to pay a lot more than most other niches. Alright guys, so moving up to the number one spot, as you can see, we've just got make money online. It's got a CPM of $14.55. Very similar to finance, although purely refined to making money online, how to make money on Shopify, how to make money on ClickBank. This is the highest paying category on the whole of YouTube. And when I say that, I really mean it. If I got a $14 CPM for a video, I would be over the moon. And let me tell you, this happens quite consistently nowadays. It literally just takes picking up your mouse, picking up your keyboard, and just doing a bit of research, man. I'm not going to give you guys too much of a preview here, but let's just say one of my videos was at £19 one day and went all the way up to £101, and that's RPM as well. Since it's went down to 41, and then the CPM has went from 123 to 76. Can we just put that into perspective, right? If I'm getting paid £123 per 1,000 views, 10,000 views is £1,230. 100,000 views will pay me £12,300. That is absolutely... That is one of the highest CPMs on the whole of YouTube. I can tell you guys that right now. But yeah guys, I'm not going to give you too much of a preview of any more of my videos, but there you go. That gives you an idea of some of the CPMs that I'm earning by using some of these tips. And now you guys have a better idea of how low and how high some of your favorite YouTubers are being paid. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a big like, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much. I read and reply to every single comment on every single video, so don't hesitate to drop a question in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, on that note, have a wonderful day, and as always, peace out.